turns are about like this. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, or 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. Always starting with the right. 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Then you have this like this. This is 1. This is 2. You have to do both of them up. You can do it with the foot. Same foot, same hand. And the turns. Turns are, when you turn around, you turn with the hand going to the stick. First you turn the stick. Like this. On the other side, you do like this. And go. You do like this. And then you go. Or, you can turn fast, like this. Or you can turn like this. Or, you can turn like this. Okay? Okay. Then, the most important in the song will be this. Turn, turn, turn. 2, 3, 4. Turn, turn, turn. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then the turn. And then the turn goes like this. One hand go up, one hand go like here, and you go. And you start counting. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then the other side. You go. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then comes 3. Yeah? Okay. Close.